Hello guys, good day once again. And today, guess what? Finally, I'm in a wig and a hair shop. One of the questions most of your clients maybe said, do you guys have a wig supplier? We have a wig supplier. Finally, we're going to right now, and I'm about one of the wig shop, and I'm trying to take coverage of whatever product they have here. They have a lot of goods, and see how quality it is. Yeah, and you say most of the times, yeah, China for hairs, instead of your quality. So I decided to come here and have a feel of myself, how I tear. And trust me, they feel natural. It's any product be out of I can assure you, say you are buying 100% quality because I've seen a lot of Africans also coming to the shop and be buying from here. So I will start revealing the shop to you and see the kind of products they have over here. Yeah, so this is the one that we call bone street hair. So they have different sizes and inches. Yeah, so different types and colors, as you can see. All these are wholesale. These ones are just for samples. As you can see, here's how they are. Different types of products and different types of colors. So, minimum dear, but as I'm refer you to hairs, you will see what you actually want. Yes, and we have the catalog as well. So whatever that you want, just DM us and then. Or click on the description. There's a link that will lead you to the catalog page. Now go ahead and also the kind of product I okay. They have a very nice product, different types of hair over here and colors as well. I've been trying to hold them. And trust me, they feel natural. Like it's very soft. We yet they're 2016 in New York. Trust me. For these ones, I can assure you that they are quality that's unique. Yeah. So these are some of the products. Charlie. I just want to feel the tone media over now. I feel the one, and trust me, these ones are very natural. Like the real hair now. You know your name. You can see me feeling the texture. They're very nice and very soft. It's a wholesale shop. It depends on the kind of number we have to be on. You can just place an order and get them. They have a very lot of varieties. Don't know the type there, but I can't say Rasta this. Position in just for what in your catalog and the catalog where you can get all the products they have in this shop.